Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Coltmuth. As far as our weather goes, we've seen some kind of damper, drizzly days last few days. Today, all things considered, should be relatively nice for fall, but starting off this morning, you wouldn't think that was the case.
No, absolutely not. Very, very cold out there. In fact, we're probably going to have our first frost of the season this morning within the Rogue Valley. That's why we have a frost advisory in place for eastern Curry County, Josephine County, and Jackson County. We also have this freeze warning in place for western and central Siskiyou County. This also goes until 10 a.m. this morning, as lows could get down anywhere between 25 to 32 degrees. So, moral of the story is it's going to be very cold really everywhere in the Newswatch 12 viewing area, but especially in our inland areas. Take a look at some of these temperatures to the east of the Cascades this morning. I mean, my goodness, 15 degrees for Lakeview, 15 degrees for Christmas Valley, 21 degrees for Klamath Falls, so a little bit warmer there. And then we're in the 30s and 40s, of course, for West Side Valleys, 45 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. So everywhere this morning, you're going to need a jacket, and I think everywhere inland this morning, maybe you're going to need an extra few minutes to scrape off some of the ice off your windshields, especially to the east of the Cascades. Something else we're contending with this morning: reduced visibility in Grants Pass all the way down to a quarter of a statute mile, as some of those clear skies overnight have allowed for some fog to form. So we'll see if any of this will migrate its way down to Medford and southern portions of the Rogue Valley a little bit later on this morning. So for today, hit your coat caps. Definitely going with the heavy jacket for this morning, but later in the day, as temperatures become more mild, maybe just a long t-shirt would be necessary. And if you like temperatures in the 60s, maybe even just a regular old t-shirt. But over on the east side, it's definitely going to be a little bit cooler than that, with temperatures in the 50s, but we will be comfortable in the 60s in our west side valleys and pretty close to 60 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. We'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies all throughout the day. It's going to be a dry day, a much nicer day compared to yesterday. And then overnight, we'll see clouds increasing ahead of a storm system that will bring a very small chance for some showers along the coast on Friday. But we will see clouds increasing because of that, and in a way, that is going to make our temperatures warmer overnight. So if you're not a big fan of these temperatures down in the teens, we'll move a little bit closer in the right direction. We'll be in the 20s as opposed to teens over on the east side, but 30s for west side valleys, mid 40s there along the coast in Curry County. It's already time to talk about the Friday night Blitz game of the week. It's the Black and Blue Bowl. South Medford taking on North Medford. It looks like the rain's going to hold off for that. Temperatures will be cool, near 60 degrees. Definitely feeling pretty seasonal out there, but there is a chance for some showers on Saturday, but clearing out. We'll have another very nice and seasonal day for Sunday. Lots of sunshine, but then more rain will arrive as we head into the beginning of next week. And it does look like Halloween's going to be a wet one, even wetter for Tuesday. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll keep it dry for today, but then there's that slight chance for showers on Friday. Again, with that storm system will come that increase in cloud coverage overnight. For Siskiyou County, we are going to feel very pleasant over the next few days. Not so much in the mornings, but during the afternoons, feeling very comfortable with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. For the Klamath Basin, we're going to keep it mostly dry for the next few days. Slight chance for showers on Saturday, but then our pattern becomes a lot wetter and a lot cooler as we head into next week. And in fact, it looks like snow levels are going to go way down for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, maybe as low as about 3,500 feet. So that's something we'll have to keep track of over the next few days, especially as it pertains to Siskiyou County. Maybe we could see a mixture of snow there, but I think for the Rogue Valley, we just keep it just rain, but a very cool rain at that.
Okay, so no possibility for snow just yet in the Rogue Valley?
No, it doesn't look like it. But for the Shasta Valley, that might be a different story.
Okay, just something for people to keep an eye on next week. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.